What's up guys, it's Brit. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wow, that was freaking lame. Anyway, today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite hair extensions. This is about to change your life. If you don't already know about this, you're about to be put on. Let me tell you, like, this literally changed my whole hair game. Everything about it. I'm the type of person that styles it the same every single day. I do straight. It's the easiest, and I don't know how to do anything else really, to be honest with you. But this is so easy, guys. These hair extensions, I grabbed Ponytail because we're gonna need this. But I have two hair extensions here. They're from a company called Insert Name Here. And I originally found this brand on Instagram. I bought a ponytail, I loved it. And then they reached out to me to work with me, and I was so freaking excited, guys. Because now I have two new hair extensions. One of them is a ponytail, and then the other one is a U-clip extension that makes it longer. It's like 22 inches, I think. But Insert Name Here has like ponytails, extensions, hair products, hot tools, pretty much everything that you need to style your hair. So this one is one of their most popular one. This one is called the Brit. It is so long. Look at how luscious this is. Comes in this super cute packaging. Before you open it, they will allow you to test the color. If you are unsure of what color to order, you can email them and their team will get right back to you literally so fast. That's what I did my first time ordering, and they got it spot on. I was so happy with it. So you can always email them for help if you don't know. It comes wrapped up with this ponytail. It comes with two bobby pins, and then it's got this Velcro like that, and then it has the clip under here, and then this strand is curly because what you're gonna do is you're gonna wrap it. We're gonna start with a high ponytail. Take the hair extension and then just run the brush through it real quick. So you're gonna take these clips right here and you're gonna stick it right into your ponytail. So I'm gonna try to do this, guys, without a mirror. It's gonna be a little tricky, but it's still pretty simple. Even without a mirror, you're just gonna clip the prongs into your ponytail, pull the Velcro around really tight. I always start with this left side and then tuck it in super tight while keep wrapping the Velcro around. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. And you're just gonna take this piece and wrap it all the way around the Velcro until you get to the end. We're almost there, and perfect. So the tail actually ended up right underneath the ponytail, which is great, because then I could stick these bobby pins in and hide them really well. And just take the bobby pin and stick it in towards your scalp so that it doesn't clip into like the hairnet. And then take the other bobby pin and do the same thing. All right, so it might not be perfect because it's hard for me to tell. I didn't do the best ponytail, guys, and I need some like flyaway spray, but there it is. That's it. It's literally so fast, so easy, and bam. Like, I look like a little Ariana Grande now. I love this. This is so freaking dope. Just changed the whole game. That side view is like my favorite. Look at that. And it is so secure. It is not going anywhere. And it's all it is held up with the Velcro and then the bobby pins. Guys, I'm about to have a whole freaking collection of these things. I love it. It feels so real. It feels so good. It feels so soft. You can actually wash these. You can style this up to 320 degrees. So feel free to use a flat iron, a curling iron, a wave wand, beach waves, whatever you want to do at 320 degrees. And then you could wash it. Just don't dry it. Use like a sulfate-free shampoo. They actually sell some as well, so if you want to go with something like that, you can use wig or weave shampoos. Just don't dry it and it'll go right back to its normal shape, which is this soft wave here. I have one more that I want to show you guys. This one's super easy to take out too. All you gotta do is just pull out the bobby pins. 1, 2, and then unwrap the piece of hair that's around your ponytail, like so. And then when you get to the Velcro, just unwrap and then pull up like that, and you're back to the basics. So this is the next one. This is 22 inches long. This is super long and gorgeous. It feels so it feels better than my real hair, honestly. It's so soft, but it's a U-clip. So it has these clips all the way around, and then it even has clips on the bottom. So on the top and on the bottom, you're just gonna wanna unbutton or unsnap these before you get started. I'm gonna take the top part of my hair, just enough to cover the extension. So I just have half my hair up right now. What we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna take it and put it right up, well, center it first. You'll wanna take these clips and clip it right where that line is. You wanna grab some of that hair that's folded up into the ponytail, just so that it has something to clip into. So you're gonna clip it there, and then do the same on this side. Clip it there, and then you can feel it and make sure it's snug in there. And if you have to reclip it, just, reclip it. And then there's bottom clips. I feel like you don't really even need to clip the bottom ones in because it's already very secure, but we'll just go ahead and attach those. So with the bottom ones, they could be a little tricky. Dig that clip upwards towards your scalp. It's hard to describe, guys. Dig it, pull it down and then push it up into your scalp, if that makes any sense. I have no idea what I just said, but I feel like you'll feel it when you're doing this. You'll just know. But guys, oh my god, I'm so excited to take this down. Let's check it out. Guys, this is so adorable. I would love to put curls in it too. Because you can put heat up into this. Look at that low pony, guys. Oh my gosh. Whoa, guys, I'm grabbing my hair right now, and the thickness of it is unreal. It feels so good. I've always wanted thick hair. It blends, it literally looks just like my hair. I'm obsessed. I swear, I love this company. You could do a low ponytail, you could put one of their scrunchies in. Let's see how that looks. Oh, hello, hi. Yeah, guys, you can style these, you can put a hair tie in, you can curl it, you can wash it. Like I said, just don't dry it, and you are going to fall in love. I'm obsessed. I want to show you guys how secure this thing is too. You can whip it and it is not going anywhere. It doesn't even hurt your head. It's not heavy. It's super flowy, super bouncy, super luscious. And yeah, guys, I'm loving it. I love that low pony. I don't know what it is about that, but I'm this is awesome. So, all right, guys. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, insert name here, for sponsoring today's video. Guys, to shop, go ahead and check the bio or the description box. The link will be down there. And don't forget to use the code BRILauren for 15% off your order.